Hello friends, today in Health in Your Hand segment, I shall be telling you some of the basics about acupressure. Acupressure is a traditional Chinese method of alternative therapy and is based on the belief that the correspondence points of various body parts can be found on the palms of our hands and the soles of our feet. So, accordingly, the treatment is carried out by giving pressure or by pricking pins on the correspondence parts of various body parts which are found on the palms of our hands. The basic tools which we require for acupressure or acupuncture are the probe, the acupressure ring, magnets, these are star magnets as well as Biot magnets, some needles. For seed therapy, we require seeds and the basic paper tape. The basic difference between acupressure and acupuncture is that in acupressure we treat by giving pressure on the various parts, whereas in acupuncture we shall be using these small needles, the sujok needles, and puncturing the skin at the respective correspondence points. This is a very important tool of acupressure. The probe or the jimmy. We make use of the probe to find the exact point where the treatment is to be given. So with the help of this probe, we will press on the correspondence points of the hand. And we come to know the exact point when we experience a very sharp, shooting, pin pricking kind of pain on the point. That tells us the exact point that we have to give pressure on. Once we locate the point with the help of this jimmy, we can give pressure on these areas. Next, we have the sujok ring, which is again something which is very effective and very useful. It's very simple to make use of the sujok ring. You just have to roll it onto your thumb or your fingers for about 15 to 20 times on each finger and thumb in this manner. This helps to give a very relaxing effect like a body massage in this manner. Like this. Next, we have some magnets which are made use of. You will not be having these magnets at home, so do not worry. Whatever treatments I tell you, we shall be making use of seeds. Seed therapy as well as color therapy is also a very integral part of sujok treatment. Now to make use of these seeds, you will be requiring the paper tape. This is very easily available at any chemist. The seeds which you shall be needing are the commonly found methi dana, the kabuli chana, which will be for the bigger areas, and methi dana, which we shall be using for smaller areas, as also the green moong dal, which we make use of for sprouts. This is how you shall be making the strips. When we need a single seed to be put, we'll put the single seed on the paper tape in this manner. And we can also do a bigger seed like this. The methi patti is made in this manner, where we stick many seeds onto the paper tape in this way. Now the way of giving pressure. There are three different ways in which pressure is to be applied on each point. Suppose this is the area where the treatment is to be given. First method is we can keep this area pressed for about 2 to 3 minutes at a time. The pressure should be gentle and firm. We can release this after about 2 minutes. The second method is to press and release. You press it for 30 seconds, release it. Press, release. Press, release. or the circular massage can be given in this way, the clockwise or the anti-clockwise direction. So this provides the acupressure for the treatment. The probe is very easily available on Amazon, the probe as well as the ring, which you can purchase very economically. If you don't have the probe also, it is no problems. You can just make use of the finger or the thumb of the other hand to locate the exact point by giving pressure in this way. Once we have applied pressure and stimulated the point, we can stick the paper tape along with the seed on that area. This will provide constant support and pressure to this area. And where we need to put the methi patti, once we have made the methi patti in this way, we can just stick it all around a particular place, and this will give continuous pressure to this region, and you will get maximum benefit out of it. So here's wishing good health to all of you. Stay safe, stay home. Bye-bye.